Subtraction. Subtraction of a 5-digit number. When subtracting 5 digits or more, we use columns. 53,864 minus 31,423. We write the numbers in our columns and subtract starting from the right. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 5 minus 3 is 2. So our answer is 22,441. We subtract column by column. Sometimes we may need to break into a higher column. What about this calculation? We write our numbers in the columns and the subtract and start in the right. 4 minus 8. We can't take 8 from 4, so we need to exchange 1 10 from the higher column. We exchange 1 10 for 10 ones. Now 14 minus 8 equals 6. Move to the next column. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Then 2 minus 4. Again, we can't take 4 from 2, so we exchange 1 from the higher column. We change that to 7 and we exchange for 10 hundreds. Now we have 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. Then 7 minus 5 is 2. And finally 6 minus 2 is 4. So our answer is 42,836. Let's look at another one. What about this calculation? We write the numbers in our columns with the subtract and then start to subtract from the right. We can't take 5 from 1, so we exchange 1 10 for 10 ones. 11 minus 5 is 6. Then 3 minus 5, again we need to exchange from the higher column. 13 minus 5 equals 8. Again 4 minus 9, we need to exchange 1 from the higher column. Now we've got 14 minus 9 equals 5. Then 7 minus 6 equals 1. And finally 3 minus 3 is 0. So our answer is 1,586. Remember, when subtracting larger numbers, you can use columns. Line the numbers up in the correct columns and subtract column by column. When subtracting in columns, we may need to take a 10 from the next highest column.